In this quick video, I'm gonna be walking through how to get new wallpaper for iOS 18. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to get iOS 18 wallpaper. First of all, make sure to update your iPhone to iOS 18. Now go to your iPhone settings app and just tap on wallpaper. And now let's create a new wallpaper. So tapping on add new wallpaper, and in this wallpaper library scroll down a little bit, and here you will find this iOS 18 wallpaper section. All you have to need, tap any of them to see the wallpaper preview. So these all are iOS 18 wallpaper. You can use any of them. Let's use this first option, first wallpaper, and you can slide to the left side to change wallpaper also. And all you have to need, just tap on add, and I'm tapping on set as wallpaper pair, and that's it. This is how we can get iOS 18 wallpaper in iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.